Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Oaxaca Old Fashioned. Super tasty variation of the classic Old Fashioned made with tequila and mezcal. As always, I'm going to leave the recipe in the description for you, as well as links for some of my products. Alright, without further ado, let's go! Alright, so for this cocktail we're going to need tequila, original recipes reposado, I'm using añejo, mezcal, agave syrup, and angostura bitters. Alright, we're gonna start with 1.5 ounces of tequila. Half ounce of mezcal. And 2 dashes of angostura bitters. Ice. Now we're gonna mix it. And we're gonna strain it. And we're ready to garnish. Let's give it a try. Cheers. Oh, this is really good. I can definitely taste the tequila and a hint of smoke. And the agave makes this cocktail perfectly balanced. I gotta say, it's one of my new favorite cocktails. I'll give it a 10 out of 10. And that's how you make the Oaxaca Old Fashioned. Alright, if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you wanna learn how to make more cocktails like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And as always, until the next one, cheers!